Alright, big up on yourself. If for the first time you not watch the channel, you know, I don't have to tell you what to do. You just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also make sure so you share up the video all over the place. Because it's a joy making all these content for you guys. I know we are doing it fine now. So big up on yourself. Thank you for watching and make sure so you do the right thing. Alright?
Daddy!
How you want?
My father come to.
Wait. Me not think no other man live over this yard about me, you know, so me don't know
But are you supposed to name village lawyer? Yeah, my father. That mommy tell me.
me name village lawyer for true, but the last time me I want pick name from a town there, where the last time I see her, she not look nothing like her you. The last picture why mama send come give me see there, it not look nothing like her you. See.
So mommy send me down to come stay with you.
So your mama send you down to come stay with me for what?
So she have it father and she can't bother no more with me up there.
What? Me not understand how your mama fi say no come there and come give me because nothing going up there, you know. It's me one live and sometimes some females come over. Which part you go stay? You can't stay here with me and woman, you know. So even if you stay tonight, you probably can't you have to go in morning. You see me? I mean, I want you look upon me like say you want to come bad me up in my own yard already. You look how long your mama not see you.
So daddy make you send them go in the yard.
Send who go in the yard?
Your woman them.
Then if we send them go in the yard, which part?
You go look for them.
You want to see a rank, you want to rank little girl. Come in. By the way, why you look so? Why you dress so? I kiss your teeth off for me? Eh? I'm talking to you, girl. Nobody feel like say mother you because you may papa mean to me a size. You know? Let go back. As a matter of fact, me can't deal with them stress. You can't go along back of your yard to your mama.
Go back nowhere.
Can't go along. What you mean now? Go back nowhere.
Me I can't rule this. Now go back nowhere.
I don't want the attitude around there. I don't want you to come yourself to feel like you can't come rule me. Alright. You better go back to your dirty mama. You wait, I go and call her. You push me down.
Village liar! Village liar! Oh! Oh!
What, sir?
Yeah, man, come here, my boss. I want to talk to you.
Boy, from when me fi call you, cause me I tell you say, me end up have to even buy all 4 tire free bus. And me end up even the engine that want to work so good, me have to, and then again it police them money.
Alright, village liar, you are going, you know. Maybe not try call the phone now.
My phone not work, man. My phone.
Listen, man, maybe not try call you from when someone want the bus to go pick up 2 of my friends we are flying from foreign. Them are flying this living and I want the bus. I'm not on that village liar 2 weeks now. You not even give me $1 fee bus, no brother.
Then watch. Listen to me, Miss Wilmore. Mr. Wilmore. The bus. Me not really make no money, you know. Every time I go out, police ticket me. See me get me one big bag of tickets so for car seat because me them a tell me say me.
Alright, village liar. Me no come for quarrel about bus. Me just come for collect my bus key so me can go about my business and just try to get another job because this thing now work out for me. Better me run my bus myself.
No man. Watch out, man. Money can't make out of the bus, out of the taxi business, you know. But it's just that the police man torment me every minute me go out. Them torment me, man. Just give me 1 more week.
Alright, yeah. Just give me a bus key. Give me a bus key. And we will figure it out because this don't make no sense. A matter of fact, me give a taxi for run. Me never tell us if you buy nothing put on the bus. Me will carry go and mechanic go get it fixed and me will buy tire when you want tire.
But I mean I drive it and me even have a date little more. Me can't just watch out.
Alright, you have village liar. Just come. Me go take your bus. Just go for your bus key and come give me.
Listen, sir. Listen. As I say, just bet me I beg you just
Alright, no problem. Just give me. Let me just go pick up my people in front of the airport.
Alright. Gas in it and everything, you know. Me put gas in it.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
But I have some in there. But as I said, just bring it back after you pick up the people.
Alright.
You bring it back because they can't make money, you know. Money can't make out of it.
Alright, sir. Alright.
Or you could have even let me that let me go and...
No, me can't learn this. But my boss. But look how this bus are dirty. You know wash the bus.
Then I say time dry. You know?
And it tear them from the bus and a new tear them there. Yo, brother, yo. Me call you and talk to you. You better just go and make up your hair. Because right now, I don't want to see your face now, sir. Please.
Alright, sir. But as I said, just get back your bus, come and give me. You see me I go there, I not go nowhere. Me I go there, me yard.
Yeah, man. So, you may answer, see? Bigger Joe. They say you hear from him from where you
No, me not hear from him. From him gone and father, me not hear from him, you know.
Okay.
But different from that though. You know, so me have something I want to talk to you about.
Yeah? What that?
You know, sir, me not feel good.
What I'm to you? What do you mean I don't feel good? What I'm to you?
Feel like I'm pregnant, man. You know, different feelings that take me.
Again? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you feel like something in there?
I feel bad. I sleep from when pit and anything there. I tell you. So, you don't feel no way?
Right now, I feel a way, yes. Because I want to find out how this thing I go, because it surprised me that you're pregnant and things. Because, you know, I say, that way that I feel. I feel like I think.
Me no go do no test it, you know. But me just feel the vibration. I say, I know the first pit me don't have it. I'm pregnant, you know.
Okay.
I say, I know how I feel. Hold on. Me just realize what you say now.
Yeah.
And you breed me, you know, I don't do with nobody else. Yeah.
Me breed you?
You mean if you breed me?
Judge.
You really can't be start telling me.
Oh, you know that? Oh, you just jump
because
up so...
Because me not deal with nobody else and you alone me I deal with.
Oh, because me hear one little rumor down the road, you know, say, oh, for your friend, you and him tight from with you, you know, so I don't know.
And who you chat, because I know who you talking, you know.
The man when you village lawyer down there, so. Him me a talk. You man that wear
Village
the
liar.
braces and his strap.
Village liar enough. Everything village liar want in. He love people business. I make him a come on me yard come watch me ganja them me a water every day. And my business he want know if it go spread it.
Hold on there. You just bust a secret a while ago, you know. Cause me never know say I come at your yard, you know. Secret that bust out. So I come at your yard come pray then.
You know what? Me a go a doctor go do a test, you know. Cause me no ramping with you, you know. Cause you alone and me there, you know. So me no know you come go on like chew, you go. Not tell me nothing about no village liar. I'm a mix up and you watch people here too much.
Yeah,
That me I tell you.
I'm not ready for no new pitney again, you know. Me I tell you, you know,
Me
so
never tell
you have
you.
to go
Me never-
use the money when me give you and go sort out that. Cause right now me I pre DNA right now. Slash here, you know. Cause I'm shocked. You tell me say you just breathe.
You can't pray DNA and you alone and me there.
Can't believe it. Everything good still. Just sort out
You
yourself.
got a doctor. I'm going to do
Come
a
on,
test
start
for
out that
yourself.
Sort out a thing, man.
Village liar. Come here. I want to talk to you a little bit.
Mumsel, you see me there, so I have a meeting with myself.
You're lucky you have a meeting with yourself. I need to talk to you a little bit that me call you for.
Good evening, Mumsel.
Good evening, village liar. I have something what I want to talk to you about. You know that I feel like I'm pregnant. And I know that you're a man of, you know, skill. Like that. So that me come to you about.
So that you come to me about?
Yes.
Well, Mumsel, you come to the right place. But you come at the wrong time.
Oh my
You see, say sun gone down. I can't do nothing now, you know. So you want to do about it?
Alright then, since you say me come at the wrong time, what you say, tomorrow?
Well, let me ask a few questions first.
Yes.
The picnic papa what make you pregnant, Zane? Is it that at the Jingbang Lee down in Lane?
In same one.
No,
you
yeah.
laugh in a village liar.
Yeah,
Why you laugh same time me laugh?
Cause it's funny, you have to get rid of that picnic there, Mumsel. Listen.
So what kind of remedy you have can give me to get rid of it?
Mumsel, that the service there, I go eat to you free. I don't want no more down no Jingbang Lee Roy, please.
No, I'm not joking, village liar. I'm not joking. Really and truly, I'm coming tomorrow morning, you know.
Come early before I go up on the road.
What
You see?
time? Just tell me the time.
In the morning, man, 7 o'clock.
Okay.
You see me? But as me say, me no want no more Jingbang Lee, boy, yeah. So we have to get rid of that.
Well,
Me-
since I said that, remember say Bigger Joe give me a lot of problem already, you know.
Me no want you about Bigger Joe.
No.
That picnic they more dangerous than Bigger Joe. Me can't tell you, me have three years, you know. Me can't tell you, me can't say things that the picnic there, you have to get rid of it. Cause me personally no want no more Jingbang Lee round here, no more crosses in this community. So link me a morning early.
Alright then, village liar.
7
Link your
o'clock.
morning. Okay, alright.
Yeah, remember you know, me no want no more Jingbang Lee round here.
Alright, village liar, morning.
Alright.
Village liar. Village liar.
Oi! Oh, I come. I come because it's because a long time I don't put on this thing here. I have to ensure say I get it right. Come in, man. Pardon me. All right, come in. Come in, sister mom.
Couldn't wait for daylight in a village liar. Cause me I tell you something, really did want to come last night. Me stress out, you know.
Hey, sit down now, sir. Sit down. Cross your foot them, sir. All right. We're going to say last time I want picnic from Bigger Joe days, don't it?
Yeah, me know that village liar, man.
Alright, what's up? Tap a break. Tap a break. Go sir. But so now me a year ago and in your belly still you're pregnant. You're pregnant.
That tell it me man, you know.
So what you plan for do?
Me no want to keep that baby, you know.
You don't want to keep it?
No, me can't manage no more. Can't manage no more baby right now.
Alright. I mean no want you carry the baby for that boy there, you know. That the dirty foot corner boy there. I mean no want you carry for you, but here what you in order for me to do something for you for that belly there, it will cost you $40,000.
Okay then, me will sort out here and carry come and make you deal with it.
Go link him and make sure say you get it because as I say, we don't want no more Jing Bang Lee in our community. You hear me say that?
Alright.
No more Jing Bang Lee.
Me hear what you say village lawyer, me go check him and get him money and come back and give you. That's me can. Cause me no want disappoint me have bigger Joe already with a give me a problem. See me send him a Ghana and father them. Me can't manage my problem.
Nobody waste no time. Me not talk about bigger Joe. Bigger Joe back in days. Me not want nobody waste no time. You hear me tell you? Because hear what me hear in your belly, you know. I like me no want that in our community. No more Jing Bang Lee. So what you gonna do? Go and get the money. Cause the longer you take, I'm more problem and the more risky the procedure are gonna be. You see me? The more the belly growing up.
Me know that.
More money, you know.
Me have more money and me lose my life. So me hurry up go get the money now.
Yeah.
Me hurry up because me don't know lay thing with this right now.
Alright, what?
Yeah, manage it.
Alright.
Alright.
So give me no, you're supposed to pay a doctor visit money.
You know, true me did feel stressed out. But me I tell you now say, yes, when me I come back, me I pay everything one time. But it feels stressed out.
Listen to me. That what me just do a while ago, $5,000, you know. 2,500 for listen to the belly and 2,500 for tell you what kind of pitney.
Me don't even want to know what kind of pitney. Me just go get the money and come pay you everything one time because you me did feel stressed out. That's why.
Just get 50,000, come on, we good.
Alright, me I'll go check him feet.
Alright, me there, just go on and come.
Alright.
Yeah. As me tell you, no more Jing Bang Lee.
No, me no want no Jing Bang Lee, baby. Me tell you, so me want to get rid of that baby and you tell me about
Alright, hurry up, run, go on. Nice place. Right, I mean, you know.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you for coming on such a short notice.
Yeah, man.
I mean, tell you, say, my head hurt me, my belly hurt me, my foot hurt me, I don't know what happened to me. See, my foot hurt me, and see, they all sore up. I want to go me say, come up, you know. And then all upon a sudden, it just spread, go, I don't know what happened to it, Doc.
Oh, I think good.
I know I can't hardly even lift up my foot, feel heavy, you see, feel tender.
Take.
Jesus.
That's it. That the kind of out of out of my first me I see them start to see here. Well, that they look like that they out of my medical field, and then they start to see them. At first me I see them like. What you say? From you wake up this morning, your head hurt you?
Yes, not stop hurt me. And from last night, my belly hurt me.
Oh, yeah, you sure that's something you eat yesterday?
I don't know, you know.
One way.
Yesterday, me go over my friend yard, and she cook. I mean, just come in from work. I'm well tired and hungry, and she asked me, say, me want some. She put some ackee and some chicken.
Ackee and chicken, like together?
Yes.
Are you sure not eat run your belly?
Me don't know.
And
From in before the I get up and I go to bathroom, I go bathroom.
And then after you eat that
Yes, I feel my foot feel heavy and stiff and tender.
Also.
And then I just one little bump come up, you know.
Well, by the looks of that, you know, that they need to seek a physician. So be that the one because that out of my reach. But the good thing is, I know a man, we can look upon that, the field.
Yes, pretty sure so you can help me, you know. I'm willing to try anything, you know, because I see that you only want my foot to stop hurt me.
Yeah, man, he named Mr.
You know,
Physician.
too much things that happened to me one time, man. That stressed me out.
You understand? I might right somebody you have to go look for. Right, man. But anyways, I'll take in my and you go up there man early. You see?
Yeah,
before the sun come up. Here?
I see to my phone, you put your number in my phone.
So early, you know.
So I'm to save your name as now.
Physician, man. Save your physician. Yes. Mr. Physician.
Alright.
Before sun. So whatever you go up there, I need to tell you to do what to do. But listen, see me I give this man a number. Don't want you tell nobody say I'm getting no man.
No man.
Nobody call me name.
No man. Lip seal man.
Cause that man is a very powerful man and you know nobody knows me and we know him.
Yeah.
So this is between me and you up there so.
Yeah man, know them way them man, everything capacity man.
So yeah, I have a next I go come run now, you see, but
What that's supposed to mean now that?
well, I mean, I home visit, you know. I left my office come here, so $8,000 for home visit. So $3,000 for the look on you, and then $5,000 for the taxi fare.
$8,000 that?
Yes, man. If I did down at the office coming out, that $3,000 for registration. So, and I home visit is on the road, but took me what's the matter come up there and so.
Hey, that could be too much still, you know that.
No man, I right. It's the price where you have to pay.
Anyway, I really have no money for me now, you know, but you can give me an account number. Me know why you hit me and go in there too.
Yeah, man, you can just send it to me right now. You have online, you have to do it, so just send it to me. You have an account number. Yes. Okay.
Alright, no problem.
Stew to the busy.
Yeah, so the account number there. That's why I
That's clean. Listen, check your phone.
Oh yeah, you send. So alright, I go come around, you see? And as I say, go link them and you know, because that they look serious and you don't want to get broke out no worse. You see?
Yeah, man, nice doing business with you. So you know about want you want again when you did after.
Oh no, sir, me no bother thirsty. I come good. You see? Take care again.
Alright.
Candy, this is how you do.
What you do yourself? Me good man. Actually me.
No, sir, I'm going about my business, man. I have a patient that I need to get some medication for. She have a little thing when I need to sort out.
Patient, you. Village lawyer. Me never know say you're a doctor.
Then Candy, from the first time I move coming in the community, me tell you say, I am the man that's know everybody and know everything. I am the man who's I'm a man of many professions. I'm a lawyer too, you know.
Yes,
I'm also a taxi driver. And I'm tell you say, I want to be big boy, step pooper. Cause
You're a lawyer.
Of course I'm a lawyer. I have my degree.
And you're a taxi driver.
Everything.
What type of things you can do?
What you know? Just make your imagination run wild. I can be anything you want.
Village lawyer. Be careful, you know. Me not trust you.
What do you mean you don't trust me?
Because when me just meet you, you are. Eh?
I was just a normal, you see me in my normal clothes, but now you see me, it's no long me not put this on.
No, when me just meet you, is a mix up personal love, borrow people money and tell lie. I in a war with people, figure them back their money.
Anyway.
No, you... Live backside, no, sir.
Candy, me and you as good friend, you see? We a good friend. Make we live good now. Make we live good. Anyways, I have something for pinch and tell you, you know. I have something for pinch and tell you. Come and make me pinch and tell you. But wait, before me tell you where I go on. How where I go?
You know, say I want work, me get down at the bank.
Down at the bank?
Yes, a bank, me go start work. Yes. How?
What you mean? As a teller in at the bank?
Village liar. Me tell you, say me get a job down at the bank. Me have to tell you what me I go do down there.
Then can you mean for tell me?
Whatever me I go do down there, you not no skill to do that. Only me alone qualify to do it. Sorry, me not go tell you.
So Candy, let me get this straight. Say mean for tell me, say, me as a man of many trade and talent, live up as of so much years, and you mean tell me say you come here and get work at the bank and me there how long and not get no work at the bank?
It's the daily glean me buy and sit in there. Then they have vacation for people to work at the bank. So me go down there.
Vacation or vacancy?
Vacation. Don't say vacancy. Say what me say. Don't ramp with me. Me qualify for call big word and know what I mean, you know. Don't play with me. Vacation.
All right, Candice. Me just. All right. Anyways.
About vacancy.
Let me tell you. What me did I go pinch and tell you, say, is come a little closer. Mumsel. Thinking I street this the girl a breed, you know? She a breed. Ready for dash ready pick. Cause why you want dash way? Because when we do the test, upon her, me hear the baby I call 3 different names. So me know say a 3 different picnic papa that there. So that the picnic she no need to carry.
I hope you are not one of them, you know.
No, Jing Bang Lee is one of them, the main one. Jing Bang Lee. Me just saying picnic. Western Union, big bounce check and all them sit the picnic in the belly a sing. Me hear pam. Yeah, me hear it.
You put this on her belly.
Yeah, man.
And you hear the baby they say, the baby father them name.
Yeah.
Hey.
But anyways, Sister Candy, as me I tell you, me see as a very nice, decent big woman and big boy. He's a nice little boy. Me I just take him as my son and just grow him. We can't just grow him.
Oh, stay over there, so. Remember say, me and you are friends for a long time, yes, but me know you as a thief, a liar that mix up. Here, and a warmonger, because you always cause problem in a people's life. Me tell us say me get one vacation down at the bank, now you ready to tell me about vacancy. Could you? Like me don't know what vacation mean.
All right, Miss Candy, all right. It look like say the taxi man then they on strike because the government say they have to have car seat now for them drive in your picnic drive in a car. Oh, they out harder. Them have all sort of, me no rang the taxi man, them strike.
So a taxi you did I look to?
About my business, they go in the town with some medication for Mumsel because...
But you say you run taxi, so you should have gone
no, man.
And give me a lift too?
No, man, the blasted owner for the car have another woman that come, so him borrow it from me.
Okay.
So when he pick him up at the airport and can come, then we can go away, then we can get back the car and go.
Okay, Mr. Mix Up.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Don't worry yourself. Just
all right.
As me say, if you have anything at all, any mix up, no. If you get not any trouble, call me as a lawyer. Anything at all.
All right, don't worry yourself.
If you have, I mean the plumbing work to say if your pipe a leak, I can fix it.
I hope you can deal with me case good as a lawyer.
Me can deal with any sort of case good.
I hope
any case you have, me can deal with it.
Deal with the case properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, hello? Yes, my name is Village Lawyer. I'm calling in regards about the missing money. Yeah, I have some information about who took the money. Yes, there's a young lady in the community recently moving. She has have no proper come up. Yeah, she just moved in at the area and then she get her work done at the bank. But now she start live lavish, she start flash around new stuff for me in the community. So I know so she have something to do with it. I know it. Yes, man. Yes. I know so she have something to do with it, man. So what I want you to do, I want you to send somebody come investigate her and see something because I know it's something not right with her. From she moving in the community, she just a hype. So I know it's something not right. But anyways, don't tell her say, I no tell nobody say it's me, call you and tell you, you see? Don't tell nobody say it's me. Alright. Mm-hmm. So me now better get the prize. How much prize me get for so me now get no money. We never say we get money for any time we call in and tell for informer. Alright, it don't take 3 years time before me. Alright then. Me will wait.
Candy! I feel a black dog out there, sir.
Me they come.
So tap me coming and come now.
Where you come back to my yard for now?
What do you mean I'm come back in your yard for?
Where you want, Officer Smiley?
You have no idea what is going on?
No, me woulda like fear me come out. I hope I know my son you come out
You
again.
stand
You
right
know.
there. You stand right there. You don't worry yourself. Stand right there. I get to understand that some money, you always get yourself caught up with some money, whether them are take it from you or you are take it, I realize. So guess what got now? Some money is missing by the bank, and ma'am, I'm sorry to say, but you have to follow with me. This time it's not about your picnic, your auntie, your nephew, or none of them people there, right? So you have to come with me, ma'am. Don't look at me like that, and please just, I have had a rough day, right? So if I had a rough day, I don't want it to be any rougher right now.
So, because me I work at the bank and money missing down there, that mean me involved in it?
Yes, man, you're a part,
How
you're a
could I cause
suspect.
this Jesus?
You are a suspect.
Me look like a thief to you?
I don't know what you look like, but I'm telling you based on this description and everything, you are a thief at this point. I'm sorry to say.
They send me thief, you saying about money.
I didn't talk about you saying, God, please get him back his money, but that's a different case. What I'm saying to you, ma'am, is that the bank where you work, the money miss up, and them say them need to find who take it. You are a major suspect there, because what you do there, you work close to the money. You understand? So just stop, give me tough chat, and let's go, please.
Officer Smiley,
Yes, ma'am.
me know you have me up for a long time.
No, miss, you're heavy.
No, you come to accuse me wrongfully of stealing money when missing at the bank. Or me involved in something like that. Officer Smiley, me not work which part they tell them work. Me not have nothing to do with where money there. What me do down at the bank there is wipe the glass. Me go close where money there and wipe off the counter, but me not go which party there. Me not have no access to it.
You finish?
So me no want you finish. So Alistair, you know why you see to me no say me not take it? Me they come with you and plan to get a sew under your cloth.
No, ma'am, not my cloth. Wrong cloth. Right?
Come, away they go do. Charge me. This thing when me no know about.
Ma'am, please head this way. You see, I tell this dog or not in the ramping thing.
Just
there.
come out of me yard. Me they come with you.
Yeah, good evening, village lawyer. Good evening, Candy. It's a pleasure for me to have both of you sitting in front of me. This reminds me of Jesus on the cross. Jesus in between the two thieves. You know what I mean? But nonetheless, I want to say to you that based on our evidence of you working at the bank, they are saying that you are guilty, ma'am. So, what time do you leave the bank after work? Just give me a rundown of the work hours, Miss Candy. You can speak, you know.
8 to 4.
Listen to me. Don't say nothing to him. My client leave from 8 to 4. She got there from 8 o'clock in the morning and 4 o'clock she leave.
Oh, so you not the talking. All right, so tell me something now. Based on the proximity, how close are you to the money vault? When you clean, you see you clean the place. So when you wipe out the place, how close are you to the money vault? Do you go inside the vault? Do they open the vault so you can clean around it? What is the situation?
Officer Smiley,
Yes, ma'am.
how many times are you going to ask me the same question? If
No,
they
no,
can
no.
time you up,
Let me tell you something. You have the right to an attorney, which is this lawyer. I don't know why you came here.
Listen to
You
me.
have the right to obey and to do everything that this man is saying. But you see, in this area right here, so everything is recorded. Know that. So you see, if me ask you something down for your bush where you come from, that a bush talk. Yes, sir, is recorded, ma'am. So I want you to answer the questions as I ask you. If your thief over here say you're not supposed to answer it, that's full of problem. But everything is recorded. Because this a case here is a serious case.
Listen,
right?
listen to me. Don't say that. Listen. You think some go law school for nothing? I can't make you lose this work. I can't rank with my client.
You go last school, I was last school ago.
Listen.
Huh?
Officer, what's my name? Officer Smiley. Look for me, because you can probably make this blast it at your.
No. Hey, put that hat back on your head, because that the car you know fit right here, so. And you on camera. Put back your car up on your head.
You're me, I say no. My client don't know nothing about that money that we missing. She don't know about no money in the bank. She only go in there and clean. You see me? And until we go to court and get a next date, you can't.
So village lawyer, whatever you want to call her name, why is she here then? Why would she be here? She is a suspect in this case.
You a suspect?
No, me. And them call me and say me if you care come down here. If you say me run things.
Hello, Officer Smiley. Me is a suspect to you from Negril. You understand? See come in front.
Leave
and I don't no money.
Negril.
See come in front. The man I begged me front for a long time from Negril and me never want him.
Candy.
So I got there with my friend.
Candy.
This man have me up for a long time and I'm a liar.
Candy, no say nothing more about your friend. No say nothing more. Me have evidence. Look on them. Them must be right for one policeman I do. Eh?
What you have over there?
Them they say they right.
That they if you charge him for. Go bring up yourself for.
Until
You need to report him.
until we get a
Alright, listen. You fail to understand that we are being videotaped and recorded. I have to show that to the camera because I don't know what you have over there, and it's not about me, it's about your client over there. So if you're trying to put me in this situation where I am a suspect, I am not a suspect. I was not at the bank, number one. Hey, shut your mouth, I'm talking.
Look at
I
you.
was not at the bank, number one. I am not a suspect in this case. What you're trying to, is some allegations you're trying to bring at me right now? Saying that I was affiliated with what?
Officer
Be
Smith.
careful of the words you say, sir.
The bank.
I think that here that's twirl around your mouth and your nose is causing you if you confuse the senses. And right now you don't have no sense. You understand me? I want you to understand this thing, miss. You see right here, you can't leave unless I get the
Who dare you to address my lawyer like that?
Listen, don't. Why you
You have the right
Don't say nothing more.
to say what you want to say in this era, because when you go to court, you go to court, you know. When you don't say you go to court, and this him used to represent you, you know who this man is? Ask me if you win a case.
If me go court, me not get no charge because I am not
Candy,
guilty.
you're in the right hand. You see, you're in the right hand. The bank is a public place where a lot of people travel around.
Yes.
So she not have nothing to do with no money.
The camera is videotape when she walk in. There was a little glitch. There was a little glitch with the camera. So after she walk in, start sweep to that area, the camera have a glitch. So what happened now is this. Let me tell you straight and plain. What happened now is this. This is because that little glitch happened. They have no current proof that she take up the money with her hand, but she was very close to the vault, right? So in this case, I am telling you,
Are you thieving money?
So no.
You are one of them there. Are you thieving money?
No. Listen.
So me can't
You
think
think
when
me don't know this? You think me don't know this officer Somalia? This a same boy when me see go over the woman the yard. Other day down the lane there. You think me not see?
it's like government place now, boy.
Government.
Know yourself, you know. I know who you are talking to. You understand me, I say? Oh, Miss, I'm going to ask you again 3 questions. These 3 questions. We're being recorded, and I need you to be clear with what you're saying so we can understand what is happening. You entered the area that the money was taken, right? And you said that you are a cleaner woman, right? What was in the bag that you were exiting the building with?
You say you're section 266 and nothing. Don't answer.
All right, seems fine. Clear? Do you have access? And the access card, is the access granted to all areas of the building so that you can clean the building?
No strong evidence against you.
All right, fine. On the day of February 17, right? I'm going to ask you. You are saying to me that you did not steal the money that was missing from the bank after the glitch on the camera is shown. Is that what you're saying, ma'am?
See, because section 3 said you're free to walk up and down in that bank as an employee. I'm making you you done, sir? Listen to me.
All right, listen to me. Listen. All right.
I have important matters to deal with. You is a waste of time policeman. You see? Me and my client is gonna exit yourself out of here, and until I have some solid proof, we'll see them.
Mr. Village Lawyer, you have never won a case that you have been represented. And this woman, I guess you're in the right hands. No problem. Because this man right here is a complete idiot. You understand me? So if you want to base this, because all the time we're here, you realize he wasn't defending you? Only if I understand, I'm trying to build a case against me on the streets and my reputation. So I guess you can have a wonderful time, ma'am. Enjoy yourself. I'll see you in. I will see you, not you, because you might not go.
Where I try to call me thief? Eh?
Man, yeah.
Thief like you and your mama.
I know that. My mama is alright. Alright? Go over right there. Hold on now. Chief?
Full of corruption, like our.
Yes, Chief. I wanted to tell you that this woman being disrespectful. Even asked me, talk to me about my mama. You know, like things like this, you know, draw me into a different category. I don't want to retaliate negatively, Chief. Yes, ma'am. Yes, and listen, we have a long history. I don't want to send you back around here, sir. And please, don't deal with this. Because if she tells me about my mama one more time, I'm going to make sure find which part fear mama. Yeah. No, Chief, I understand that is unprofessional and I will make up. But please, sir, just deal with the case. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Washwanya Baba Bish Baba.
Mr. Physician! Mr. Physician! Mr. Physician! Hello, Mr. Physician!
Oi!
Come here, sir. Urgent. We have an urgent situation, sir.
Are they come? Don't move. Are they come? Don't move. Don't. Turn around. All right, are they come? Turn around.
Me see you in my vision long time ago. See you in my vision. Turn round, man. See you in my vision long time. Welcome. Anyway, how me can help you today?
Sorry, so you see me in your vision, sir. I mean, I hope you can tell me everything what go on with me. From morning, my head a hurt me. From last night, my belly a run. And this morning, me just one little bump and it no stop spread. Look how big it be and it a hurt me. You know?
Come closer.
It a hurt me. Me can't even walk. It swell up.
Also, then this one look like your mate you work for your husband. Me see where he might live a double life.
How you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. He might live a double life. You see when time he tell you say in their work and my do late shift. Him left work from 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock him left work. So when him left work 2 o'clock, him have another. No. No blood clot. No bother with that. But me say, your matey, trang, you see when time you know your husband, him chat too much. And him a carry things they go give him. He made it a little bit bigger than you. So I don't know is why you wanna do. Make him have a bigger matey than you, but he made it bigger than you. But when he can feel your clothes them go give him, is that time is do that what the girl use for you. I see it man in my vision. You don't notice say when time your clothes them are missing. You don't notice your clothes them are missing.
Yes, of course.
Then is the husband a thief, them a carry them go away and make you feel like say somebody else a thief them.
Yeah, I think say cokehead boy with the cross the road they say no. Him always a thief people clothes off a line.
No.
Can't believe this. Jesus Christ.
But here what? Come here. Me have something. Come. Hold up. You see? Strong spirit. Strong. So here what you gonna do? How much money you can come today?
This way you do for me, I go better my foot.
Don't worry about that. You see your matey? Something will happen to her. That what I do for you, it turn it back. You blow away my say.
Yes, that me want.
Turn it back.
Turn it back, funny bitch. I eat me want. Everything will happen to me. Me head, me belly, make her belly run more at home, mine I run.
No, sir. What me I go do for you, it I go turn it back.
That me want.
Yeah.
Yes, turn it back, funny bitch. She too damn wicked.
Because what wrong with your belly, you know? What wrong with the belly is not the same.
Right.
No, listen to me. What wrong with the belly is not the same thing what wrong with your foot, you know. Your belly is because you yam too much and you eat too much things and you just have mix up your belly. You just need to yam sensible and yam right. You see?
Okay.
Your husband, you know, for give him nothing for 3 days. You see? 3 days. Don't give him nothing for 3 days. The position there, when you come, tell him say they're on your menstrual, you need to your menstrual go on you for 39 days.
Yeah, done with him, you know.
No man, no worry about him, man. Listen up. Be sensible. Take out some money from him, man. Continue put some little money aside. Take your money from him, put aside. So when time he mess up, I said it. You know, make it devil be wiser than you.
You don't know me grieve, you know.
No man, just give me a little bickle now. Give me.
My heart, man, my heart. My grieve, brother. You don't know me I feel right now.
Then that's the way you tell me about a counselor business them there. Me and a counselor. So it don't make no sense to tell me the problem. You come with the problem, me tell you what to do. Me tell you, I mean, I see you give me no money yet. You see me? I not see you give me no money yet, but me tell you, them
but me can't give you money before you done talk to me and tell me what to do.
But hear me I say, if I want a counselor, me know somebody. You see? But just give me a little bit, make we deal with this first.
Yeah, finish off with me and then you tell me how much you charge me.
Yeah, you have to go come back again, after this. You have 3 more times before you come back. So now you are going to give me 35,000 just for you come visit. And then for them I said, I do for you a while ago. For them I said, I do for you.
Yeah.
350,000.
You know, so I never bring all my money still, but $10,000 me have still, you know.
$10,000?
Hey man, I have to go hold on for this. That's all.
Since that's a $10,000 you have, come here. I just I charge her my money, but let me just wash her back some half it. So it go down to 10,000. Alright. It's because a little bit what happened to the girl I got to take longer because of 10,000. So you have to carry more money come when you come. And if you want to make work, you can carry 6 white fowl, you know. 6 of the white fowl, when you can, when you're ready to eat them, you can kill one. You just get 6 of them come, or 2 goat from Upper St. Thomas. So me have some nice cow about the place, huh? Yeah, so you have a big investment, you see?
Okay, so either 6 white fowl, 2 goat, or 1 cow.
3 goat. 3 goat.
3 goat, or 1 cow. If you carry back when me come. Alright.
So 3 goat, 1 black, 1 white, and 1 brown.
Alright.
Alright, so go on. No look back at you now when you go on, just go on.
Alright, Mr. Physician.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mr. Physician, yeah. And if, as I say, if you want no counselor for counselor work, we know them sitting too.
Alright, sir.
Alright, take your time. We are mama way.
Yo, what you have there, sir?
Bro. Yes, sir. What you say you want, sir?
I see a baby bag of things for me. That's some of the one of them, you know.
One of them there?
I want juice, you know.
I want juice?
Yeah.
Well, out here, so it's kind of different, you know. We have the picnic price and we have the big people price.
Yeah,
like when you have big man,
so,
one of them chips says with $300 and a $200 this.
God, you know.
No worry yourself, we know you, know.
Oh.
And your mother live down the lane there?
Yeah, man, my mother live right down there, so man.
Oh, so it's what your name? Because how much how many she did have again?
A 5 hour, you know, them call me Dalsky Walsky. I mean, I 5th one.
Oh, Dalsky Walsky. Then you had the last one grew up, sir?
Yeah, man.
You grew up to become a nice young man.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah, man. So where you know me from again, brother?
Well, yeah, me and your mother, we did a good friend back in the days. Good friend.
So my mother never tell me nothing about you.
Then your mother, listen, you never hear your mother talk about Georgie Pargy.
No, I never hear my mother talk about no Georgie Pargy, brother.
I am Georgie Pargy, man.
Really? So what you try to say? My mother did something?
Well, we did young, when we did young, your mother did young and wassy. Everybody did get a piece of your mother. What really? Me did get a piece too?
Brother, how you try to say? You try to say my mother has some whore or something bad, man?
No, sir, I would never say your mother is no. Your mother was just had a little too much back in the days.
What do you mean by that?
Like, Your mother was wild, but I don't know if she's still wild now in her old age.
Brother, I know my mother you talk now.
Then is
my mother in the youth.
Me would have never this mother. Then is your mother down there so wet
Yeah,
five picnic.
but mother don't know you, brother. I never talk nothing about you. I never hear mother say nothing about you, but
The
man.
5 picnic what your mother have, that's why I tell your papa. But your mother have 10 more before that. It's bad, she bad.
Yo, see this me and my mother, brother. Mother Christian woman, you know. I don't know mother do nothing wrong,
Listen to me, Mr. Dalsy Walsey. I would never disrespect your mother. Your mother, she probably in our church, you know. She say,
Mother Christian.
well, she probably good, you know, because I saw them did bad and then they turn good. But anyways, I have something to tell you. Me see you over the girl the yard, Mumzel. And I kind of get to understand.
I'm a woman.
I'm a woman. And she say, she come link me other day with some doctorly advice. Because I'm a doctor too, you know, I'm a man.
Yes. So she not tell me about that neither.
Listen to me now, I'm a man very trained and very professional.
So, man, all of my family my run come to you, bread man, I don't know about nothing of them story.
Because I am the man that knows everything and know everybody. But what I say is, listen, man, sometimes you must move too fast and take it slow. What I'm trying to tell you is, you know, you see Mumzel, that girl is a very bad girl, you know such.
Yo, tap it there, so. I don't want you to tell me nothing about my woman. Tap it.
Say
yo,
no.
you see you, I don't want you nothing with them. I don't want you to tell me about my mother and my woman and give me bun on them. Yo, I don't want you nothing bad, man.
What me did I go try to tell you say is, me hear Pitney I call 3 different names. But make it turn. Since I don't know what hear, me not tell you other 2 Cooper name why Pitney did I call in a
yo, brother, you see you mix up in a bad man.
Anyways,
yo, you hear me?
Give me $100.
Yo, I never give you no money, bad man. Yo, you see you tell me about mother and woman and give me bun and them thing. Yo, I never buy nothing.
Alright, nobody talk over my style.
This one for yo, she not even know it. Yo, she not even knowing of you.
Hey, you say for them one thing. Now what you say, I know if to deal with you. I know if to deal with you.
Alright, if you don't watch the video thus far, we want to say thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure making these wonderful content for you guys, and we appreciate it. We appreciate the person that will share up the video. We appreciate the persons that will tell a friend. We appreciate the person that will take the time out for link with our Instagram and all of the platforms and tell us, say, yo, we love how you do continue to do the wonderful work. And for the persons them that has been linking up 10-10 kind of knows that she's sick and she will do a surgery, one more surgery, thank you. We can list out all the names and call all the people one by one, but we want to say thank you to everybody who don't know yourself. We just launched a GoFundMe for where we are trying to raise the money in order to do the surgery. Because you don't know, we're in one country, where a lot of people might feel like $1 million is not a lot of money, but it's a lot of money for a lot of persons who can't find $1 million one time. So that's the case with her. They don't know, so we are trying our best to see how well we can get you, all the subscribers, involved in this whole venture in terms of doing this surgery for her. And as I say, it's $1 million, so we have the GoFundMe up. So make sure you go in the description, click the link, and make the donation. A lot of people, if you're having complications in understanding how to make the contribution. I think once you have your bank card, you can just attach it to it, send a donation. It don't have to be you sending the $1 million, but think about it. If everybody join in and deposit something in it, in a no time we'll reach it without even trying hard. So thank you very much again. We appreciate what you guys have been doing for both Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Public Report, all the channels that are affiliated to Richard Brown Films. We want to say thank you to everybody that have been showing support. And remember, we don't share up the thing them. And remember, YouTube just launched the little shorts thing, So we don't want to only watch the shorts, them and watch the full, and want to watch everything. You understand? Because one of them shots I might go viral. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys again. And make sure so just keep on watching. All right? Yeah, man.
I have a pizza. I have some pinch and tell. You see, but I'm pinch and tell.
Who you want to tell me about?
You talk over my style.
Yo, you not even knowing you.
I might have to take something with you. Your belly is just because you you have too much. You have too much. Alright.
What's that?
Alright. Alright, don't laugh. Back in way though. Alright. What me I go do for you now?
It's a VPN number. What's up? What's up?
Evidence. Yeah, I'm just.
Whoa, man. Ready.
Officer, what's my name? Officer Smile. Look palm, look palm. Because you can probably make this cat blast it at your.
No, put it back on your head, because that's the quiet way. Ready again. Go again, ready.
This I wanna look like your mate you walk on your husband. Me see where he might live a double life.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He might live a double life. You see when time he tell you say in their work and I do late shift. Him left work from 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock him left work. So it's when him left work 2 o'clock, him have another. No. No blood clot. Come here. Hold up. You see? Strong spirit. Strong. So here what you gonna do? How much money you can come today?
This way you do for me, I go better my foot.
Don't worry about that. You see your matey? Something will happen to her. That what I do for you, you turn it back. You blow away myself.
Yes, that me want.
Turn it back.
Turn it back, funny bitch. I eat me want. Everything will happen to me. Me head, me belly, make her belly run more at home, mine I run.
No man, it's just that you need to.
No, instead of making belly. No, man. She only I walk on your foot. The belly will run, I sit me on you.
And that video I tell you.